Hey guys, how's it going? Today we will look at the Python string isspace method. So the isspace method returns true if all the characters in string are white spaces, and it will return false otherwise. Now this is how the syntax look like. As we can see, the method takes no parameters and it will return a boolean value. More specifically, it will return true if all the characters in string are white spaces and there is at least one character in string. It will return false otherwise. Okay, so these are all the white space characters that I could found. As we can see, among them is a space, horizontal tab, vertical tab, new line feed, and a carriage return. Okay, so let's try some of them out. So in this string we have a tab, space, new line, and a vertical tab. Let's run this. And we can see that all of them are actually white space characters. Now let's try all of them at once. We can see that this is still indeed the case. Now let's try adding in some random characters which are not space characters, and we should see that this method should return false. And yes, that is true, the method has returned false. Yes, so this is the isspace method. It's very simple. So thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.